So this is the track up towards Little Red, up through there, and that's the track down towards Little Red. But over here, I don't know, is that a rock? Is that a special tree? No, that's not supposed to be there. So let's get rid of it, eh? Wonder where it's come from. Hey, what's to go over there? There's a freshly chopped tree, too. There's a couple of freshly chopped trees. What's going on over there? Been clearing some stuff over there or something. There is, look, there's another one. There's a couple of freshly chopped trees in there. What's going on? I wonder what that's about. If anyone knows what that's about, let me know. That's odd. Anyway, I'm going to get rid of this junk. It's not supposed to be there. Let's get it out. But yeah, sus, there's trees chopped down. I don't know why. Anyway, let's get some winch ropes out and we'll get this thing out of here. That's not supposed to be there either. One random bonnet. I'll get rid of that too while I'm here. I'll strap it down on top of the wreck and get it out of here. That's the way up, isn't it? I think that's the way up. Or is that the way up? I don't know, one of the two. Anyway, down here, the random exhaust system. That doesn't belong there either. So, another thing we'll load up from the trailer and get it out of here. Frickin' hell. People are grubs. Take your crap with you. It's not hard. Like even cans and bottles. Look. Frickin' another can. Oh. Wild turkey drinkers, eh? Just chuck it in your car with you lazy people. Chuck it in your car and empty it out of your car when you get home. Frickin' hell. It's not rocket science. Unreal. Look at that. Hey, isn't that a sight? Right, so truck's lined up where I want it. Trailer's where I want it. The wreck is down there, so we'll just redirect off a tree over in here somewhere, and then out of here. So just parked up here, setting up some rigging, and while I was here I just noticed that's not supposed to be here either. Some sort of car body down there. Maybe if I get a bit of time, I'm losing light here already, but if I get a bit of time I might drag that up while I'm here. It'll save me coming back, and I'll strap that on top of the crumpled wreck as well. Doing a bit of a clean up this afternoon. No, probably start getting dark soon. Should be right. We'll get into it. So just rigging some stuff up and slowing me down even more. Look at this trash. Come on, blokes, fellas. We want to use these tracks. Stop leaving your trash here. This has got to be people going to Little Red. If you want to use Little Red, don't trash the joint. Far out. It's not hard. Leaving your car, get it out of your car when you get home, boys. Come on. Right, closer inspection of the pile of crap. Someone's been here and ripped the chassis out, or piece of the chassis out. Someone's taken a chunk of chassis. Unreal. Still with a tow bar, look at that. But yeah, it's going to make it a bit of a pain to drag, because if I drag it from that end, these pieces of chassis are going to dig into the ground and get hung up. But if I drag from that end, well, I might drag that short bit of chassis out of there, but then these pieces of chassis will dig into the ground and get hung up. Plus there's bits and pieces all ripped off it. I'm going to have to drag up sort of separately, or connect them on and drag them up with it or whatever. People don't make this easy on me. Oh well, we'll get it out. Righto, we got a bit of a redirect off the tree up here, and then another redirect off another tree down there. Bit of a redirect here, down to the load. Let's see what happens. There we go, rolling over for us. Starting to swing around. She might not want to roll over. I might have to attach on somewhere else to get it to roll. Oh, it might come. Nah, it's not going to come. It looks better. Looks like it might roll over for me now. I actually wouldn't mind dragging it out on its lid, but oh, it's splattered by mud. Might just splattered. Damn it! Might just get myself out of the way here. Yeah, I think I need to reattach to the front now, otherwise I'm going to rip the chassis out. Please don't roll back over. Oh, you bastard. That's alright, looks like she stopped there. I'm just going to hide behind my tree again now, and see if we can get the nose up past this tree here. Otherwise that'll be a bit annoying. Bloody slippery here. Yeah, that's coming around nicely, look at that. Oh, pivoted round. Look at that. You beauty. Oh, that's sweet. Up you go. Those lower control arms I get for the front diff are going to hook onto things, I can tell. Maybe I should hook onto them. Is that's that rear bit of chassis hooking on the stuff already. So I just had to manoeuvre the truck a little bit. Where I wasn't real stable. The truck was starting to slide back under the winch power, but so we're a bit more stable now. But don't mind me, I'm just flexing. Yeah, that's not bad for still having all the stock suspension and sway bars still attached. That's all right. Emerging from the bushes, the Tyrannosaurus Prado, eager to be loaded and dumped. Although, I was looking at this bank, chassis might start digging in there, that might be a bit annoying. We'll see. We'll get it up there. I must remember to attach that transmission and stuff to the tow bar. Yeah, she's going to start digging in there a bit, I reckon. It's not too bad. Taking some dirt with it. It's probably, yeah, definitely going to dig in here. Anyway, I better get some straps on that transmission before I get too far ahead of myself. I know everyone loses their mind about using a tow ball as a recovery point. I know everyone's going to go, oh, you'll kill someone. Oh, they're only rated to 350 kilograms. Yeah, righto. Pretty fixed. Anyway, well, I'm going to recover this transmission off the tow ball. So lose your minds, haters. How good's that? Help me carry all this extra junk that I've thrown in the cab. The tailgate latched. I'll hold that stuff in there. You beauty. Oh, it's getting dark. I'm a bit puffed. Let's get it out of here, eh? Oh, there we go. Can't get it up over the bank, just drag it through the bank, hey? Take a bit of earth with you. You beauty. Oh, that's coming up nicely. A little bit of load now. Hooked onto something. I just had to rig up a bit 2-to-1 off it, just to help drag it through. I think I think that piece of chassis under the back there is gouging into the dirt down the back there, and I was gouging in here, so I just needed a bit of extra pull rather than break stuff, but it's alright. Only took an extra 5 minutes. She comes. It's a bit annoying actually. It's coming up now though. Once it gets up on the track, it'll be easy. We'll just drag it up over the other side of the hill and then we'll load it on the trailer, get the hill out, get home. Alright, I just packed up the 2-to-1 that was up off the tree over there. It's up out of the track, or out of the bushes down over here. It was way down the gully there. So I think at this point we just sort of lever off this corner here, off the bank there, and it should just swing around and start coming up the hill. And then once we get it up onto the track, it's easy, just drag it all up there, and then we'll connect onto the trailer, onto the back of it with a couple of straps and drag it down the next bit of hill, and then should be able to slide it onto the trailer from there. If the trailer sits down nicely in front of the ledge, we'll see how we go. We'll get to there when we get there. Let's see how this goes up here. Stand over the other side here though. As much as it'd be nice to stand over there and see what's going on, even I stand in safe spots. Yep, that's working nice. Oh, don't roll over on me. Well, that'll be a bit annoying if it rolls over. That's not what I wanted. Oh. Oh, here we go. There we go. It's coming around. We've got to remember we're doing a tow ball recovery off the back end of it with that transmission. Woof. Here we go. She's going to fall onto the track in a sec. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Here we go. See how the suspension handles it. Oh, it landed nicely. Come down smooth. How good's that?
Those side steps aren't too good as rock slides, eh? Might want to upgrade those. There's a dent in the back end here, I might have to bust that out.
Here's our transmission dragging along in the background. Oh, that's that chassis dragging. Well, at least we got that mess out of there, out of this hole. As long as people stop leaving trash on the side of the track, it'll look nice out of here. Oh yeah, we're bringing a drive shaft with us as well. That's the go. Yeah, like I expected, you can see the chassis, back end of the chassis here keeps catching on the ground. I knew that'd be an issue, and sure enough, that's what it is. When the winch loads up, that's what it is. That's caught on the ground. Digging in, digging in. Surprised it hasn't ripped off. Maybe it will by the time we get the thing up there. Anyway, I won't bore you too much. Oh, I might just be able to speed this up here. We're single line pull, we're nearly at the trailer now. So the plan then, I think at this stage I'll just hook onto the trailer with a snatch strap or something like that, and just pull it down over the next bit of hill there, and then I'll probably just back up to a ledge and and hopefully just drag this body straight onto the trailer without using a ramp. That will work nicely. We'll see how we go. Righto, a little bit further down the track. I didn't film because I was driving and doing stuff, so sorry, but so I've come down off this ledge here, this centre track on this this object, and just as I said, snatch strapping the wreck down. So I'll just disconnect and probably reverse back a smidge further, and then just winch that straight onto the tray. No need for ramps or anything, just straight on. Should go well. Nice. And there it goes. Gormskis. Yeah. One piece of junk that doesn't belong in the bush. It's now where it belongs, getting recycled. Best result.